typically every child speaks English. It's not a big deal, nothing important. Okay? But for example, second international language, okay? After English, it's French. So that's why there are so many points, like as I just said, and I'm repeating it again for you, that so many places like Immigration of Canada, they ask for French language in the visa as well. Okay, there are points. And 54 African countries, he's the one who came from Africa as well, and 24 countries in Africa, they speak French as well. So you can cover 54 countries because 20 are English, 24 are French countries. So you can complete all that range. So this is the importance of knowing French. Canada, so many parts of Europe, like not only France, Belgium, Luxembourg, Switzerland also, part of Switzerland. So there are plenty of countries. In Dubai as well, nowadays they are people they know English, but when it comes like when somebody wants to ask for any information, like if a person knows English and French, it's quite a good thing. Second thing, even if you don't get any chance to go outside, doesn't matter. Okay, even here in Pakistan, you are living. Just imagine if you are just in your CV, you are writing the things like you can, because there is a column where we write spoken language as well. You can write English, Urdu, whatever your language, and French. So believe me, if you are comparatively, there are 1,000 CVs going towards a place, but there are only 25 vacancies. So maybe you will be able to qualify in that because somebody will see that this is much better than he speaks English, he speaks French as well. So this is the practical advantages of knowing French. And after English, it's nowadays, as I said, e-commerce in Pakistan. Myself, in the morning time, if I'm teaching people like any age group, and in afternoon, like after 1 o'clock, I'm dealing with the people who are in France. I'm talking to them, and the companies are having the benefit of the business needs. Like, if I can give you any example, the people are selling cars on phone. If you have heard SBT, the name of SBT Japan, okay, ICM Japan, SBT Japan, they are selling cars. Where they are selling cars? They are selling cars to Africa. In Africa, we speak French, so many countries. Okay? So myself, in the corporate sector, I'm doing this business, okay, selling cars, and so many other things. So this is the small introduction why we should learn French. Okay? And at the moment, the people they do think like any language to understand, to learn is really difficult. Believe me, it's not difficult. It's only upon your willpower, your understanding that you can understand a normal language. Example like me, example like him. Okay? He also has been to another country, and then maybe take us 3, 4 months, 4, 5 months, okay, depending upon our environment, that we learn our language. So now today I am able to speak in 4 international languages, and so many other things that we will discuss today. So first of all, a brief introduction for French. Okay, if I can get this one is the first word which we learn in French. When in English we say good morning. Okay, good morning. Everybody understands this. Good morning. Okay, so the answer is bonjour. Bonjour. Okay, so bonjour means good morning. Simple as this. And the next thing, okay, so is different. So what's the pronunciation? Pronunciation bonjour. Little bit. This J is same like English, but je like Urdu, je. Have you ever heard je in Urdu? Je, she. Okay, so bonjour. And after 1 or 2 classes, that will be easy for you to understand this. first thing, today you are listening new words. No problem. After one day you will retrieve it. You will figure it. Yeah, ये समझ आ गया, ये समझ आ गया. It will be like this. So no problem for that. And how to say like how are you in English? If I want to say how are you, okay. Now look at him. He will say the how are you, and I will reply. Okay. You can say comment ça va, ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci means thank you, thank you, thank you. Shukran. I'm happy. I'm fine. Thank you.
आप कैसे हो क्या बोलेंगे?
Okay, this we can do it now again. If I will say comment ça va, you will say comment ça va means how are you? आप कैसे हो? And the answer is I am fine. Thank you. In English, you will say ça va bien, merci. Okay. So let me ask you one time. Comment ça va? Merci. Good. 90% fine. Good. No problem of pronunciation. Even Iranian people have good pronunciation for French. Because in French we don't speak t, we speak te. Te. So these people they are habitual of saying te, kind of that. Yeah, kind of that. So ça va bien, merci. Okay. Now I'm asking you. Comment ça va? Very good. And comment ça va? Ça va bien. Merci. Very good. Comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Et comment ça va? Very good. Comment ça va?
Ça va bien, merci.
Okay. Comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Okay. This one is done like a greeting because this is the basic. First of all, we will start like this. Okay. And asking name again one more time because it will make your pronunciation better. Okay. Comment vous appelez? Je m'appelle. No, you have to say all the things. Je m'appelle fast. Good. Comment vous appelez? Je m'appelle. Hassan. Good. Comment vous appelez? Je m'appelle. Comment vous appelez? Je m'appelle. You have to say all the things. Je m'appelle. Comment vous appelez? Comment vous appelez?
Je m'appelle Peter.
Comment vous appelez? Okay, so very good replies. Very satisfied with the pronunciation. Okay, very nice. If you will love a language, believe me, you will be able to speak that language. It will not be so difficult. So I have more than around 2,000 students of all the age groups, like this age group, till masters. I have all the students. So all of them, they are really, they like to speak and they like to talk with me in French, and then we communicate. In beginning, you may feel that this is difficult, ये मुश्किल है, थोड़ा सा पड़ जाए. पर आप लोग जब किसी चीज़ में आगे बढ़ते जाओगे ना, concentration के साथ, जब भी टाइम मिले, थोड़ा सा जब भी टाइम मिले, kind of time, then you will feel maybe now I can understand it. Time के साथ. So I want you, how much time you give? So bonjour, good morning. Comment ça va? How are you? Okay, let me write it for you as well. For example, like this it will be much better. And when I started doing conversation with my students, okay, it takes 2 or 3 classes, then they start speaking the common things, the basic things. So don't worry for that. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? Now somebody can ask me if, for example, you want to say, you can ask someone's name as well. For example, you will say, comment vous appelez? You can tell me this. You can ask me. Je m'appelle Sarasai. Okay. Like this is a second step as well. Again, one more time. Somebody wants to ask, comment vous appelez? Comment vous appelez? Now he can say this. Comment vous appelez? Je m'appelle Sarasai. Like this. You can ask if you Je m'appelle Sarasai. Okay. You can also ask somebody your name. It's not always necessary that he will ask your name. You can also ask somebody's name as well. So this is the way which we do the conversation. And then gradually, second step is counting. Because whenever you deal, you go to any another place, first thing which you need to know is these things, and then directly comes the counting, because counting money, telling time, maybe giving money to a shopkeeper, asking the price of something, asking the price of how much is this or something like that. So that's why counting is much necessary, because whenever you go to some place, you directly start, for example, working somewhere, and you deal with money, and you deal with, talking in terms of like numbers. So this is the thing which will be our second step, okay? Counting. And maybe names of colors, in French, and normal things like weekdays, exactly. Months of the year, weekdays. Okay. Months of the year, it's very easy. Weekdays are also very easy, but a bit different. Okay. Like we will share it after a few minutes. Okay. It's very easy. Okay. So the counting, I will listen from. I would love to listen from you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ok. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, for young students, I really try that when we will do this counting, you people will repeat after me. Okay? Because if you want to learn a language, you have to repeat. Without repeating, you cannot learn a language. So this is very simple thing. Listen, repeat, and then learn it like this. Like, I'm sure we never, I don't think so, you were in any classes, you learn it like you are listening to the people. Like I have done it. I'm listening to the people over there when we were outside Pakistan. And after listening a little bit, when we understood, then we were starting, and now we know the language. So here we go again, and you can start repeating after me, please. Okay, do it like a rhyme, okay? Easy thing. And you can repeat after me. And 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, like this. So first of all, 1 till 10, and then we will go till 20. If you know the counting till 20, till 100 it's very easy. Till 1000 it's very easy. First 20, then it's very easy. It's not difficult again. So again, just repeating one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this. When you will repeat, it will be again and again. You will learn. Anybody will try a part again? Okay, little bit. Revise after me, then we will do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This will be till 20 and then onwards like this. And after that, the common words which we use in any language, like you are asking someone, give it to me, give this, okay, take it, like this, give it, like this, only common words, okay, mujhe chai de do, like this, okay, and we were there, the people who are working with us, okay, you ask them like this, pani de do, chai de do, kind of that, okay. So, common words we will use. Okay. Again, we will get back to the revision of these things which we have done. Okay. Just because. Yes. Pantalon we say Arabic as well. So, you know, colors, t-shirt, blue, shirt blue. Okay? Like this. Chemise shirt. Chemise. Chemise blue. Chemise noir. Okay?
Polo t-shirt.
Polo t-shirt. Okay? Like this, you can say so many colors. A dress it's called robe. Robe. Robe means dress. For example, जो आपने dress जैसे पहना, robe, robe noir, robe bleu, robe rose. That's robe means
Et ça, c'est simplement l'arabe.
simplement de la
Et pas de robe.
Oui,
Moi, ça fait complet.
pour faciliter
Pour faciliter.
les enfants, j'ai fait comme ça. Parce que pour la première fois qu'ils ont venu ici, ils vont être
Très difficile.
très difficile pour eux. Mais moi, j'ai beaucoup des enfants qui je suis en train de enseigner. Oui, à peu près, tu sais, dans le KG 1, KG 1, français. Oui, oui.
Quelle school?
Ici, bloc 6, ICHS, il y a beaucoup d'écoles qui enseignent français. Pourquoi? Because, they are thinking that every school is teaching English.
Yeah.
So now something different. The parents are watching also that the children are also learning English as well as they are learning French as well. So they are liking it. They are coming, admissions are coming. That's why from the plus point, schools are also teaching in the PCHS area. I'm teaching in PCHS 2 schools at the moment. So, this is. So you people want to ask a few things? You're free to ask for now. Last.